Hey YouTube, I'm on Summit. It's Demolition. I'm using the Scorpion for rapid fire. Now, I thought I might talk about the submachine guns in this game. Now, I'm quite getting used to this Scorpion actually, I quite like it. But I have an issue about the ammo capacity. That was a sweet double there. It's good at taking out a single person in a 1v1 at short range or like close quarters, but maybe not so great at taking out a guy with multiple enemies. That's why I used rapid fire, because that just increases my chance in a 1v1 of hitting them, and the recoil is what recoil, man? It's just like epic. Just kinda goes back and forth and that's it.
Bomb is armed.
Overall, it is a good gun. I have recently put on Warlord and I used it with grip and rapid fire, or I've also used it with grip and extended mags. But right now I'm loving the AK-74U with steady aim, with the combination with rapid fire. That thing just seems to pwn. You don't even need to look down the sights.
Care package ready for direction. Show us where you want it.
Is that amazing?
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
So, I don't know what your gun is, but I can sure vouch for the
Demolition. Defend the objective.
Scorpion or the AK, but being
hot.
a couple of the best. Well, I wouldn't say there's a best submachine gun because they're all good in their own ways. Definitely, I've like trial and error. AK is good at taking out enemies in a cluster and all that, and it's also good in 1v1s. Like, all submachine guns are probably good at. But if I was to take the Scorpion and the AK and put the same attachments on it, like for instance rapid fire, I reckon my money would be on the Scorpion, and there I fail. I think I'm cursing right now. Yeah, my guy's cursing. Well, I like the ASP, but don't use it anymore because, yes, it's really accurate, but it has such a low damage, and the amount of ammo you use in it is like pathetic. It's 7 a clip. This is what I mean by you can't take out enemies in clusters, and if I could do that, I could probably have saved my life there, or got a kill streak extra, you know.
Friendly care package on the way.
Can't predict what's going to happen, but I have used quite recently in this game
ready for launch.
with Scorpion extend mags, and it works fairly well. It's just, and look, there's my brother being a douche on the bridge, and I was cursing at him for getting in the car's way. But oh well, I don't like RC cars anyways. There's me sussing. I see our guys shooting at him, so I hop over him, take him out. Then he wasn't dead, so I just knifed him. This is what I mean by 1v1 situations. Perfect. Then when I came to him, he was on me. I also have come to use the PM63. It's good. But with the same problem with Scorpion, it can't. I've also tried it dual wield. It's super good to buildings. Like, for instance, Nuketown. I might have a video of it. Like, it feels everywhere else but the buildings and really close quarters outside. You do not want to be running out in the open with that thing. That thing is just no. You ain't gonna survive with. What else have I used? I used the mini Uzi a few times with Drew Boy, but it just seems to be weird. It's alright, but it seems to have like just the most weirdest way. You don't. It's good, but you would never use it, if you know what I mean, like sort of thing. You'll use it once or twice maybe, and you'll say, oh, it's a good gun, but never use it again. And then there's me getting my challenges just for some extra XP. And that's quite a nice place for your grenades, because they always seem to be going there. And this time I try to hit that guy. So they've added some time extra onto it. We just got nailed. That's just unfortunate. Sometimes I feel like there's always another guy there, and I'm like, where the hell are you? And napalm strike. It's not for Grace games, but this is like my first game of like Black Ops on this account, and I got some lag here, and I'm like, whoa, dude.
Our spy planes in the air. Enemy spy plane.
I see someone, so I shoot just to make sure, just shot a bullet or two. And there wasn't enough bullets in there to keep me satisfied, so I opted for the ASP. Should try and swap out, because your weapons aren't going to last you that long. Like, for instance, well, just like the Scorpion here, it doesn't really have that much ammo in it. Especially the PM63. Yeah, I found I run out of ammo well quick. Like, you'll get to 6 kill streak or 5 maybe even, and you'll be out of ammo.
Friendly spy plane inbound.
Ooh, shiny thing.
Grenade.
I should have my montage ready 10th. I don't know. I'm still discussing it with my mates and all that, see if they can chip in some stuff. But I'm not sure, because I want a computer and I want to edit it properly. And what I might be doing is editing it with Chris, like get his laptop over, and me and him on the computer, and we both have it on, and we'll see who has the best edit. Or we'll edit certain sections, like I'll tell him to edit this section, I'll edit that.
Enemy spy plane incoming. Friendly spy plane inbound.
I see in the Blackbird that there's guys heading around the right side, and I'm here. I go, oh, I got them, and then I didn't have them. And I was getting shouted at for that. And Fraser just nailed, well, Dean just nailed them, and he goes, I got them. And there's something just about Black Ops, it doesn't seem right anymore. It just seems kind of bleh. I love what they did to the game, but it just seems a bit boring now after it's been out for a wee while. I don't know, what's your views on it? This is Extra Gen Tactics. Peace out.
From the RCXD inbound. Napalm strike coming in.